In today's episode, we'll be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog.
Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are
K. What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of K Draw. In this week, we'll be drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. So you would like to start with a circle shape for the head, and then slightly a smaller circle for the body. And what's up, Asri Skola? Thank you so much for requesting for this particular character. It does bring back a lot of memories, especially when I was much younger. I find myself playing this game a lot. So yeah, now I'll be working on the legs, and currently I'm working on the sock area for his left feet. Refining some minor details for the socks. And I'm currently working on his trademark red shoes with white stripes. So Sonic's shoes kinda looks like a triangle, but you want it to curve at the front edge of the shoe. So I'm working on his other socks. So I'll just draw sort of like a rectangular shape just to get the basic structure, and then I'm refining it. So why I'm doing so is just to get the proportions right. Working on his right shoe. Again, it's like a triangle shape. Adding two curves at the center of the shoe, where the white stripe is. Okay, I'm just gonna add a shadow for his left feet. Okay, I'm adding a circle to indicate a portion of his body. And now I'm working on his arms. So it's sort of like a V shape. And then you want to draw another parallel V shape slightly below it. Working on his fingers. So in this particular drawing, he's pointing with his index finger. So essentially for his hand, it does look like a square and then like a semicircle beside it before you add on the fingers. Now I'm adding on his thumb and the rest of his fingers. Just refining the size of his finger. Now I'm starting to work on his mouth area. So it's like a semicircle to the bottom third of his face. Before you add a curved line across his face. That should indicate the segment for his mouth. Now I'm just trying to indicate where his nose ends. So I'll have a clearer and more accurate picture. Okay, I'm gonna join it up. kinda have sort of like the same mouth area as Goofy from Disney. Okay, working on his smile. And now the eyes. So the circle shape for his head is actually just a guideline. He doesn't really have like a circle for a head, but you'll see when I add some details later on how the shape of his head changes. So I'm joining up his eyes. So Sonic's eyes are basically just ovals with a white oval in the center. It's quite simple. Adding on his eyebrow. And adding on his left ear, which is just a curvy V. Do always make sure that your proportions are right before you move on to the next part of the body. Okay, now drawing the ear that's on the right. And the inner part of the ear is just a triangle. Now I'm starting to work on the spikes at the back of his head and his back. So it looks like a shark's fin. Basically just a series of zigzag lines. But do pay attention where his spikes are sort of cave in. One area is near his mouth and the other area is near where his ear starts. So if you want it to look more accurate, you have to take note of these reference points. Working on his right arm. He has this pose where he's like kind of putting his fist beside his waist. So normally I just work on the rough proportions of how the shape is before I detail it further. That's how I get my way around drawings. And I realized that his index finger is slightly shorter, so I'm gonna make some amendments. Adding another spike. And another one. But this time it's curving upwards. Finding the drawing, and that's it. Alright, now I'll be going over with a fine black marker. Okay, this part you wanna take your time and be careful because you can't afford to make mistakes, but if you do, it's okay. And I'm gonna color him up with some Copic. I'm gonna outline him with a Sharpie, followed by another layer so it looks thicker and livelier, before refining it with a fine black marker. So that's it for today's episode. I'm Mr. K. Thank you so much for waiting for this episode. And do like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to us. We really appreciate it a lot, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.